Raised garden beds are a popular gardening trend that offers many advantages to home gardeners. These elevated planters are essentially boxes or containers that are filled with soil and used for planting flowers, vegetables, and herbs. One reason I like raised garden beds is that they provide better drainage than traditional gardens, particularly if your native soil is heavy clay or poorly draining. This can help prevent waterlogged soil, which can lead to root rot and other plant diseases. The elevated design allows excess water to easily drain away, keeping your plants healthy and thriving. Please watch this short video that gives you a few reasons you might consider using raised garden beds.
Welcome to our exploration of raised garden beds. These garden structures have become increasingly popular in modern gardening, and today we'll uncover why. One of the standout benefits of raised garden beds is their capacity to enhance soil quality. They offer better soil management and drainage, which means healthier plants. Raised beds make gardening easier on your back and knees. You can plant, weed, and harvest without straining your body. Did you know that raised garden beds warm up quicker in spring and retain heat? This allows for an extended growing season. The height of raised beds can deter certain pests, making it easier to cover and protect your plants from unwanted guests. Water management is more efficient with raised beds, preventing waterlogging and promoting healthier root systems. Raised garden beds offer customizable designs tailored to your space and aesthetics. You can choose dimensions and materials that best fit your vision. Raised garden beds can add visual interest and structure to your garden space. You can choose from a variety of materials and designs to create a unique and attractive garden bed that complements your overall landscape design. With controlled environments, raised beds often result in reduced weeds and improved nutrient retention, leading to more abundant harvests. In conclusion, raised garden beds offer numerous benefits that can help you grow a productive and beautiful garden. Whether you are a beginner or experienced gardener, consider incorporating raised beds into your gardening setup to enjoy these advantages and create a thriving garden space.
Another reason I like raised garden beds is that homegrown vegetables are widely recognized for their exceptional nutritional value compared to those bought from stores. Particularly leafy greens have higher vitamin C and mineral content than store-bought produce because I harvest them at full ripeness, which allows maximum development of nutrients. And, equally important, switching to organic vegetable gardening is an effective way of minimizing exposure to synthetic chemicals found in conventionally grown produce. Pesticides and herbicides are known for causing various health issues such as hormone disruption, neurodevelopmental disorders, or even cancer when consumed regularly over time. Learn more about the benefits of homegrown plants at the link in the description. You'll experience many healthy benefits when you start growing vegetables at home.